The fuel economy targets for 2025 are quite ambitious, 54.5 miles per gallon fleet average. The EPA has also announced that they expect to propose a new emission standard, which will require all vehicles to meet the current super ultra-low emissions vehicle standard. So the combination of the two, a high required miles per gallon and a very, very low emissions target, means that there is a big drive in the industry to simultaneously improve emissions and fuel efficiency. In response to many of those challenges, the typical auto manufacturer or engine manufacturer to date has added technology to the engine. What this tends to do is make the engine bulkier, heavier, and more expensive, which means that it's harder to fit under the hood and drives up the price of the automobile. At Southwest Research Institute, what we've tried to do with our dedicated EGR concept is step back and think about what makes an engine efficient. With that in mind, we've employed the dedicated EGR concept in what we consider a very elegant solution that is not only cost-effective, but also low emissions and high efficiency. The dedicated EGR concept takes the best attributes of regular cooled EGR and combines that with the use of in-cylinder reformer technology. What we mean by that is we segregate one loop of the engine so that one cylinder provides all of the exhaust gas that is recirculated back into the intake manifold. In our case, we choose to run it in a fuel-rich environment, which means that the excess fuel is converted into hydrogen and CO. The hydrogen and CO, which is reformate, provides an octane boost, a flammability boost, extends the EGR limit of the engine. The other three cylinders are run at a stoichiometric air-fuel ratio, fuel being composed of the gasoline and the reformant, so that their exhaust is completely compatible with today's low emissions technologies. When considering the high efficiency alternatives that are out there today, at Southwest Research Institute, we feel that our dedicated EGR technology is not only a high efficiency, low emissions alternative, but it's the most cost-effective, market-ready solution available today.